Tom, catch the ball! I got it. Watch me.
Dinner is almost ready.
This book is so good.
I am winning. Whoa, winning. No, I will win. Kids, wash your hands.
I will help set the table.
Food is hot and fresh.
Let's eat together. Tastes so good.
I am hungry.
Me too.
Why is it dark? I can't see anything.
Oh no, the power is out.
Stay calm, everyone.
I am scared. Hold my hand.
It's okay, I am here.
I will find a flashlight.
It's so quiet. I don't like this. What if monsters come? Stop it, Tom.
No monsters here.
Only a happy family. Let us sit together. I feel better now.
When I was a kid.
We had many dark nights.
Really?
Tell us more.
Once, a family felt scared.
Like us right now? Then what happened? Can we play a game?
Of course we can.
I spy something. Is it me? No phones, no TV.
Just family time.
Listen, the lights are back.
Everything is normal again.
Let's enjoy dinner together.
Best ending to the day.
This food is so good.
I love family dinners.
I am so sleepy. Good night, Tom. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.